Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transit. It's just a quick walk around video. One of our latest vans we've got in stock. So here is a Ford Transit 350 L3H3, so that's the long wheelbase and the high roof. This is a 185 PS engine, so that's the largest engine you can get. Front wheel drive manual. Now that gives you extra payload and an extra 10 centimeters of load height in the back. Covered just over 8,900 miles and registered on the 9th of March 2021. So it comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years for 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. And also 1 year of Ford Assist. Ice Pack 25. So you've got adaptive and intelligent cruise control, full beam assist, you get traffic sign recognition, active braking, as well as lots of other bits inside. Limited series, so a few telltale signs already. You've got parking sensors front and rear. Metallic magnetic grey, 16-inch alloy wheels. Heated mirrors, heated windscreen. Automatic daytime bi-xenon headlights. Corner and fog lights. Available for $33,995 plus the VAT, plus the road fund tax. So straight away you can see the lower floor compared to the rear wheel drive model, giving you the extra 10 centimeters of load height. Full metal bulkhead with yellow grab handle. The standard Ford lining, and as it's an L3, you get just under 3.5 meters of load length. Various tie down points and 180-degree rear barn doors, which can be locked when they're in a 90-degree position. Inside the cab is in excellent condition. Here you have 2 passenger seats with a fold down table and storage underneath. 10-way adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Electric windows. Bi-xenon headlights with daytime running. Power folding mirrors. Automatic rain sensing wipers. Voice activation for when your phone's connected through Bluetooth. Cruise control, speed limiter, and 6-speed manual, so 3 pedals, connected to the 185 PS engine. And just confirming the mileage. Here you have the heated windscreen, your heated mirrors, air conditioning, quick clean, quick cool, automatic stop start. And here's your traction control, eco mode, and this is where your parking sensors are displayed. So with Ice Pack 25 you get the touchscreen, which you can connect your smartphone to access Apple or Android CarPlay. This also includes factory navigation. And you also get various driver assists. So here you've got pre-collision assist with active braking. You've got traffic sign recognition, lane keeping system, cruise control, both adaptive and intelligent, as well as auto high beam. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit 350 Limited Series L3H3. This is a front wheel drive, so you've got a greater payload and an extra 10 centimeters of height in the back. 185 PS engine, covered just 8,900 miles, massive chunk of Ford warranty left. If you're interested or have any questions, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.